Hello, Excel enthusiasts. Today we're diving into one of the most time-saving features Excel has to offer. Autofill is a game changer for speeding up repetitive tasks and keeping your data consistent. Let's make your work smarter, not harder. Autofill is Excel's way of recognizing patterns in your data and extending them automatically. Whether you're working with dates, numbers, or formulas, autofill takes care of the heavy lifting so you can focus on the insights instead of the input. Let's say you're short on time and need to complete a data set quickly. Here's where autofill becomes your best friend. Start by entering the first value or pattern in a cell, whether it's a number, date, or formula, whether you want to fill rows or columns. After entering your initial data, highlight the cell, or better yet, at least two cells to help Excel recognize a pattern. Notice the small square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. That's the fill handle. When you hover over the fill handle, your mouse pointer changes to a thin black plus sign. This is called a crosshair. It's Excel's way of saying, I'm ready to work my magic. Here's the fun part. Click and drag the fill handle across the cells you want to populate. Excel instantly recognizes the pattern and fills the selected range for you. Watch this. Magic in action. Example patterns for numbers. Type 1 in the first cell, 2 in the second, then drag the fill handle. Excel continues the sequence with 3, 4, 5, and so on. For dates, enter January the 1st in the first cell, then drag the fill handle. Excel fills in the following months: Feb the 1st, March the 1st, and so on. Or for days of the week, enter Monday and drag the fill handle. Excel fills in the days of the week fast and flawless. You can use autofill for more complex patterns. Let's look at this data set. In the launch date column, I've entered two dates spaced 4 days apart. Highlight both cells, drag the fill handle, and Excel will replicate the pattern across the range. It's that easy. You can use autofill to copy formulas. In the profit column, I've created a formula that calculates the revenue minus the budget to give the profit. Instead of typing the formula in every row, I use autofill to extend it. Highlight the first cell, drag the handle, and watch the formula fill the column automatically. Another example is formatting. Notice in the budget column, only the first cell is formatted as currency, while the rest are in general format. I've only selected the first cell, so it does not recognize a pattern. When I drag the fill handle, it's going to copy the selected cell value, therefore changing the original values in the remaining cells, but will apply the currency formatting. If you want to leave the original values intact, no problem. After using autofill, a small autofill option button appears. Click it to access the advanced options like fill series, copy cells, or fill formatting only. In this example, we will choose fill formatting only. That will then format the cells but leave the original values intact. This gives you full control over how Excel fills your data. And there you have it. Autofill is your shortcut to faster data entry and consistent results. From numbers and dates to the formulas and formatting, it simplifies repetitive tasks so you can focus on what really matters, analyzing and acting on your data. Why not give it a try? Use autofill on your next dataset to save time and discover how it transforms your workflow. Thank you for watching.